What's up, Lagos, Nigeria? Here is YouTube African Month right here at Bamora or in Victoria Island. YouTube African Month right here at Bamora Event Center. Guys, right here at YouTube African Month. YouTube is hosting us, giving us nice, good, serving us right, giving us nice, good experience at Bamora Event Center. All right.
Just backtracking so she promised, Fasela promised that she's going to help me put things on the like on the radio, mentoring and stuff like that. So my question now is, if I want to start a podcast now, do you think it would be a good idea to go for a side gig?
From our community, so she knows exactly what she's doing. Whenever we explain or describe something, it doesn't take her long to get. Teresa is our junior producer, and she's also really, really great. She's very efficient. Our main producer is currently out of the country. She's working, but she's still keeping an eye on stuff. Rotimi is our video guy. Rotimi, say hi. And then there's Odo, and then we have this incredible head of design. Her name is Wei. So all this stuff, everything, honestly,
Fantastic. We'll see the magic day too. It's free. Even day for we they never know they go there.
It's okay. 5 seconds.
They're able to use their content and add more to it in terms of what they're serving in their storytelling. And we'll touch more on it tomorrow in the workshops. Make sure you are here. But exceptional storytelling in the way the content is filmed, in the way the content is distributed, in the way that the creative uses the different tools on the platform, making use of long form videos, shorts, community tab. It's really exceptional creative to keep an eye out on. But really excited to unpack more in tomorrow's session.
That's it.
Right here.
Yeah. Woo. African Month. Woo. Yes.
That can give you this.
Yes.
For giving the content creator
This.
their ideas,
Yeah.
building them to make world proud, make themselves proud, and that's all I can say.
Yeah. Yeah. What's up, Lagos, Nigeria? Here is YouTube African Month right here at Bamora or in Victoria Island. YouTube is doing it for creatives. YouTube is doing it for us. If you are creative out there, please right here at Bamora Event Center where YouTube is